All right, this is the Venty. My mom got me one and my brother one, and it is the coolest thing I think I've ever seen, and I needed to share it with you. Case, real cool. Design, real cool. Watch this. All right, so it is a fan. Should have said that. It is a fan, an oscillating fan. Look, so it stands up, right? You hit a power button. Yeah, it's a fan, but look at this. Boom, boom. Telescoping fan. Look at that. And telescoping fan with a remote. Now, watch this. Not only does it oscillate, but it has a light. The coolest fan ever made.